Get ready for a message that could transform your view of love. The universe never ceases to communicate, and angels often whisper in our hearts. The signs are all around you, like stars twinkling in a clear night sky. Are you paying attention? They are here, revealing what often goes unnoticed. Synchronicities are like little gifts from the cosmos. Unexpected moments that intertwine, creating a pattern only you can perceive. Remember that song that played on the radio just when you were thinking of him? Or the unexpected encounter that brought back long-forgotten memories? Every detail is a message, a clue left by those we love who are still connected to us. Imagine yourself walking along a lit path, where each step resonates with the energy of love. Do you feel it? It's like a sweet fragrance floating in the air, evoking memories and emotions. The angels are by your side, guiding you to notice the signs. But what if I told you that these mysterious events are more than just coincidences? They are invitations for you to connect more deeply with your own essence and with those you have loved. What else is the universe trying to show you? As you reflect on this, envision a golden light surrounding your being. This light is the divine presence illuminating your path, even in the darkest nights. Have you ever wondered how these signs might be shaping your journey? Every synchronicity is a reminder that love never fades. It transforms, adapts, and reveals itself in the most unexpected ways. It's important that you remain attentive. What have you been feeling? Sometimes, the answers are in a glance, in a sentence, or even in a shared silence. The angels want you to know, this love story isn't over yet. They are here, ready to guide you in your search for the truth. But what does this mean for you? Now, imagine a moment from the past, an instant when love was palpable and vibrant. Feel the energy of that memory. Emotions intertwine like a golden thread, connecting the past and the present. The angels whisper that it's time to reassess what you believed to be the end. The truth he wants to share with you may be closer than you think. If you allow yourself, a new perspective can emerge. The signs are there, waiting for you to open your heart to receive them. What's to come will be even more revealing. Are you ready for this discovery? As you take a deep breath, place your hand over your heart and feel the energy vibrating around you. Repeat to yourself, I trust in divine guidance. This simple affirmation opens doors for the light of the angels to enter your life more profoundly. If this message touched your heart, write in the comments, I accept the light of the angels in my life. Allow this spiritual connection to grow even further. The truth is about to be revealed, and every step you take brings you closer to the love that never left. Do you feel it? Let yourself be carried by the flow of the universe and trust in your journey. Get ready for a message that could transform your perspective on love. The angels have something to tell you, something that could change the course of your story. Do you feel the energy vibrating around you? Their presence is constant, always by your side, guiding every step, every decision. They speak in whispers, in symbols, in signs that often go unnoticed. Stay alert. The truth is closer than you think. Numbers have their own language. Have you ever noticed how certain sequences appear in your life? Like 111, 222, or 777. These combinations are not mere coincidences. Angels whisper messages through them, inviting you to recognize that you are on the right path. Each number carries a vibration, an energy that resonates with your being. Ask yourself, what might these numbers be telling you right now? What do they reveal about your deepest feelings? It could be a reminder that true love is just a step away from manifesting, or perhaps an invitation to look within and heal old wounds. But the signs don't stop there. Dreams are portals of communication. When you close your eyes, angels come into play, bringing hidden messages, visions that can illuminate your path. Have you ever woken up with a strange feeling, as if you had experienced something real? These moments are more than mere illusions. They are invitations to explore your intuition, to connect with the divine wisdom that dwells within you. And what if I told you that each dream can be a map, guiding you to discover truths about your heart? And intuition? Ah, that soft voice that echoes inside you. It's the call of the angels, the light that shines in the darkness. Have you ever stopped to listen? When doubt arises, it's this intuition that brings clarity, pointing the way forward. Feel it pulsing, like a strong heartbeat, guiding you in times of uncertainty. What are the angels trying to show you right now? Remember, you are not alone on this journey. They are by your side, ready to support you every step of the way. Reflecting on this, you might remember a time when an angelic message made its presence known in your life. It could have been an unexpected encounter, a book that fell into your hands, or even a song that played at just the right moment. These experiences are the angels manifesting, embracing you with love and protection. Are you ready to receive these messages? Love has not ended. It is in constant transformation, ready to reveal itself in new forms. And this brings us to a powerful ritual. To connect more deeply with these messages, place your hand on your heart and take a deep breath. Feel the divine energy surrounding you. Repeat aloud, I trust in the guidance of angels in my life. Allow this affirmation to resonate within your soul. Feel the strength of your intention, of your faith. If this message has touched your heart, please share your experience in the comments. Write, I embrace the light of the angels in my life, and let this spiritual connection grow even stronger. The angels are guiding you now. Do you feel it? What's to come will be even more revealing. Are you ready for this discovery? The truth about love and its purpose is about to be unveiled. Prepare for a message that could transform your perspective on love. Amidst the chaos of life, you might feel lost, as if the signs that once illuminated your path have disappeared into the shadows. But, my dear, this is not the end. In fact, it is an invitation to an inner journey. Have you ever stopped to think about the challenges that arise, those moments of doubt and uncertainty? They are more than mere obstacles. They are tests, disguised opportunities that the angels place in your path. When the absence of signs becomes deafening, it's easy to assume that the divine connection has been severed. However, the angels whisper, reminding us that true wisdom often emerges in silence. Imagine yourself in a dense forest where light barely penetrates. Every step you take feels more difficult, and the exit seems far away. It is in this environment that your soul is challenged to grow. The absence of light is, paradoxically, a form of illumination. The angels are there, guiding you to look within and discover the strength that has always been within you. Difficult moments are like storms that once passed, leave the sky clearer and the air purer. These spiritual challenges are not punishments, but rather opportunities for growth. They test your resilience, your faith, and your capacity to love, even when it seems like everything is against you. Have you ever felt this? That moment when, faced with adversity, you discover a strength you didn't know you had? What if I told you that the signs you seek are manifesting in subtle ways? Sometimes they appear in a song that touches your heart, in an unexpected encounter, or even in the silence that invites you to reflect. The absence of immediate answers can be an invitation to patience, a chance for you to align with your true essence. As you reflect on this, you may ask yourself, what are the angels trying to show me right now? It is in this space of introspection that the deepest truths emerge. They want you to know that even in darkness, the light still shines. It is a vibrant energy waiting to be recognized and embraced by you. Visualize a moment when you overcame a challenge. Think about how it shaped your view of love and relationships. That inner strength you cultivated is a testament to the love that is always present, even when the signs seem absent. The angels are by your side, guiding every step. Now, I invite you to take a step toward the light. Place your hand over your heart and repeat, I trust in divine guidance. Feel the energy vibrating around you, connecting you with the cosmos and the beings of light. If this message resonated with you, share your experience in the comments. Write, I accept the light of the angels in my life, and allow this spiritual connection to grow even stronger. What is to come will be even more revealing. Are you ready for this discovery? The angels are eager to show the way. Prepare for a powerful message, a revelation that could transform your view on love and your relationships. The journey you are about to embark on is a delicate dance between what has been and what is to come. Feel the energy vibrating around you. It's the call of the angels, whispering that the love story you carry within you is not over yet. There is something deep and transformative that desires to manifest. At this moment, inner transformation reveals itself as a portal, an invitation to look within yourself. Take a tender glance. What do you find in your heart? The angels are showing you that true change begins with you. It is an awakening, a call to rediscover your essence and strength. Have you stopped to think about how your journey of self-discovery may redefine not only your life but also your relationships? Imagine yourself as a flower that, after a harsh winter, begins to bloom under the gentle light of spring. Every petal that unfolds is a layer of your soul revealing itself. Each experience lived, each tear shed, is a step towards your true essence. The angels have a plan for you, and that plan is filled with love, healing, and light. But what does this mean for you? The signs are everywhere. Sometimes they may appear as a whisper in the wind, a song that touches your heart, or even in an unexpected encounter. A friend might tell you something that resonates deeply in your soul. These are the angels, guiding you, showing that transformation is possible. Are you ready to embrace this change? As you reflect on this, remember that every transformation requires courage. Courage to leave behind what no longer serves you. To let go of old patterns that are no longer part of who you are. The angels are by your side, supporting you on this journey. Feel the golden light surrounding you, bringing comfort and protection. You are not alone. Every step you take toward self-discovery is a step closer to connecting with true love, the kind that starts within you. A love story that never ends, as it transforms, evolves, and grows. What you need to do now is look within yourself and allow yourself to feel. Transformation is a continuous journey, and the angels are here to guide you. And this brings us to an invitation. Place your hand on your heart and repeat, "I trust in divine guidance." Feel that certainty pulsating within you. The angels are waiting to hear your intentions. What do you wish to manifest in your life right now? And what if I told you that this is not everything yet? What is to come will be even more revealing. The angels are ready to share deep secrets about love and relationships, secrets that could change everything. Are you ready for this discovery? If this message touched your heart, share your experience in the comments. Write, "I accept the light of the angels in my life, and allow this spiritual connection to grow even more." You are worthy of love and transformation. Keep moving forward. The journey has only just begun. Get ready, for a powerful message is about to reach you. A revelation that may transform your perspective on love and what it truly means in your life. You are about to discover that this love story is not over yet. There are hidden truths, whispers from the universe, ready to be revealed. Imagine yourself in a vast field, surrounded by flowers dancing in the wind. It's in this sacred space that angels draw near, bringing a special message. They are here to guide you, to show that love is an energy that never fades. Can you feel it? Their presence pulsating around you, like a warm embrace. Now, take a deep breath and allow that energy to flow through you. As you inhale, visualize golden light filling every corner of your being. With each exhale, release your doubts and fears. The love you seek is closer than you think. But what does this mean for you? The awakening of truth is about to happen. The angels want you to know that the story you are living is just one chapter of a much larger book. A narrative intertwined with divine purposes. Have you ever stopped to consider how all the experiences you've gone through, both joy and pain, have shaped who you are? Every tear, every smile, it all plays a part in your journey. And what if I told you that a greater plan is unfolding? A cosmic symphony orchestrating every moment of your life. That love you think you've lost is still there, waiting for the right moment to be reborn. What are the angels trying to show you right now? One day, a friend shared her love story with me. She believed everything was over, that the cycle had ended. But a sign, a simple gesture, brought forgotten feelings to the surface. The angels were guiding her, revealing that true love never disappears, it merely transforms. And just like that, a new chapter opened. Now, imagine that you too are about to receive this sign. The truth you seek might be just a thought away. Feel the energy vibrating around you. The angels are whispering secrets about your future. The energy of love is about to enter your life in a surprising way. And this brings us to the importance of trusting the signs that appear, even if they seem subtle. Every butterfly that crosses your path, every song that plays at unexpected moments, These are all direct messages from the universe. They are here, guiding you, showing that love is a powerful and transformative force. Now, place your hand on your heart and repeat out loud, "I accept the light of the angels in my life." Feel that affirmation resonate within you. You are not alone. The loving energy you seek is drawing closer, ready to manifest in ways you have never imagined. What is to come will be even more revealing. The truth you need to understand is about to unfold before your eyes. Are you ready for this discovery? Love is around every corner, waiting for you to open your heart to receive it. If this message has resonated with you, please share your experience in the comments. Write, "I accept the light of the angels in my life," and allow this spiritual connection to grow even more. The journey has just begun. The awakening of truth is within your reach. And remember, the love story is far from over. It is just beginning to reveal its beauty. Get ready for a message that could transform your perspective on love. Life, dear heart, is a tangled web of meetings and partings, of smiles and tears. Each experience you have lived, no matter how painful, is a thread that weaves the tapestry of your destiny. Have you ever stopped to think about how the memories and lessons of the past shape your future? Imagine yourself in a tranquil place, where time seems to flow differently. Feel the energy vibrating around you, as if the universe is conspiring in your favor. It is in this sacred space that angels whisper profound truths directly to your soul. They want you to know that this love story is not over yet. There is a mystery waiting to be revealed, a call that echoes across the dimensions of time. The experiences you have accumulated are more than just simple memories. They are keys that unlock doors to the future. Every love that has touched your life has left indelible marks, teaching you about surrender, trust, and above all about yourself. What have you learned from each of them? What still resonates in your heart? These questions invite you to engage in deep reflection, a journey of self-discovery. And this leads us to a crucial moment, the encounter with destiny. Sometimes, the answers we seek are hidden in the shadows of the past. Think of a love that was intense but didn't end the way you had hoped. What did that love try to teach you? How did it shape your beliefs about what we deserve and what is possible? The angels are here to guide you through this reflection. They want you to understand that every step, every tear, and every smile have been part of your growth. And what if I told you that the love you seek is closer than you think? What would that mean for you? Visualize the golden light of dawn enveloping you, bringing clarity and renewal. This is the moment of transformation. The energies of the past are aligning with the possibilities of the future, and you are the architect of your own story. Allow yourself to feel this divine connection. The angels are whispering, "You are worthy of love, and it is on its way." But there is something even deeper. What happens when you decide to release the weight of past experiences? What would you like to manifest in your heart? True love, the kind that lights up the soul, is often found when we let go of what no longer serves us. It's time to break free from the ties of the past and open yourself to what is to come. If you feel that energy pulsing within you, place your hand over your heart and repeat, "I trust in divine guidance." Feel the vibration of this affirmation resonating in every cell of your being. You are not alone on this journey. The angels are by your side, guiding every step, every decision. Now, I invite you to share this experience. If this message has touched your heart, write in the comments, "I welcome the light of the angels into my life." This simple phrase is not just an act, but a manifestation of your intention to open up to love. What is to come will be even more revealing. Are you ready for this discovery?